Hello, in front of me I've got POCO C40. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Tap the button More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant. Go to Voice Match and enable Hey Google. Tap Next, Agree, and Continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. OK Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now tap Finish and try it again. OK Google. Now that you are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say OK Google. OK Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 70 and a low of 46.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.